Ever wondered how to effortlessly extract your expenses from Expensify? Whether you're an accountant, a finance manager, or simply someone who needs a clear record of your spending, this video is for you. Understanding Expensify and its benefits. Expensify is a powerful tool that simplifies expense management. It automates the process of capturing, categorizing, and submitting expense reports. However, sometimes you need to download your expenses for further analysis, reporting, or archival purposes. Step-by-step guide to downloading expenses. Log into your Expensify account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Enter your login credentials and click the Login button. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, look for the Reports tab or section. It's usually located in the main navigation bar. Click on it to access your expense reports. Select the desired report. You'll see a list of your expense reports. Choose the specific report you want to download. You can filter the reports by date range, category, or other criteria to narrow down your selection. Choose the download format. Once you've selected the report, you'll have the option to download it in various formats. The most common formats are CSV, comma-separated values ideal for data analysis and spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. PDF, portable document format suitable for creating printable reports or sharing with others. Excel, directly downloads the report as an Excel file. Initiate the download. After selecting your preferred format, click the download button. Your browser will initiate the download process. Additional tips. Customize your report. Before downloading, you can customize your report by adding or removing columns, filtering data, and applying other formatting options. Bulk download. If you need to download multiple reports, you can use Expensify's bulk download feature to save time. Exporting for tax purposes. Ensure that your downloaded expenses comply with tax regulations. Consult with a tax professional if you have specific questions. By following these simple steps, you can easily download your expenses from Expensify and leverage them for various purposes. Whether you're reconciling your accounts, creating financial reports, or simply keeping track of your spending, having access to your expense data is crucial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.